Hi, Melanie. How are you?
Hi, Joe. I'm great, thanks. How are you?
So if you guys don't know, Melanie and I are going to start putting together some information on how to build your business, gain clients, basically increase your sphere of influence so you can become a super awesome real estate agent right out of the gates. Right, Melanie?
Really great stuff. I can't wait for all of you guys to watch it.
And we'll put links in the show notes below. Make sure you check that out. But in the meantime, Melanie's also somebody who passed her real estate exam from Texas. And now she's in Austin, Texas. And what do you want to share about that?
If you're watching this and you're still studying, first of all, the PrepAgent videos are amazing. I binge them for hours and hours. So just being on this channel, you're doing the right things. And even if you fail the first time, keep trying. Don't give up. Having your real estate license is the best thing ever, and it's definitely worth it on the other side.
So what was the biggest obstacles in studying? So let's just give a little background. Whenever we do these, we like to share where people are coming from, okay? So you went to University of Wisconsin, you came down to Austin, and so a lot of people said, I've never studied before, and then this is difficult, never taken tests. You've taken tests before, you got your degree, but even for you, it was still a little bit like, ugh, because what people don't understand how much you've studied, you don't automatically know what a freehold estate is.
Definitely. And like you said, I did go to university, but it's been a while. So it's been a while. I had to remember how to study like that, and I was like, oh, I thought I was done with this when I went to college. So the biggest obstacle for sure was just getting through it. I got so bored, and I wanted to stop even going through the course. And then I just remembered why I was doing it and what was waiting for me on the other side, and I was able to push through.
So why are you doing it?
I think real estate is an amazing industry. I think it's such a gift to be able to help someone buy their first home or sell their home and move into a different one that they want to be into. Like, your house is your home, and it's such an honor to work with people during that process.
So with that being said, I want to encourage everybody to follow Melanie on social media and whatever other outlet she has, because I'm working with her to show everybody how it's done, because she does it well. You can see right in the background her yellow sunshine sunflower image, and that is not by accident. Obviously, she puts that on as her professional persona, not saying you're not positive in your real life, but it is strategic to kind of put forth some positive energy. So I want everybody to follow you, and you can see your links below in the show notes. You'll give me all those links, right?
Yeah, thank you. I'm on Instagram, Facebook. I recently started a YouTube channel, and I would love to have all of you along for the journey.
Sounds good. So with that being said, it's Joe from PrepAgent with Melanie Ginsberg from Austin, Texas.
Yes, thanks, Joe.
What's that phrase in Austin? Stay weird or something?
Yeah, keep Austin weird.
Keep Austin weird. There you go. All right, bye.
Bye.